Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I want to share to you about how to find template video on CapCut apps. Let's get started. First, open your CapCut apps, and then in here at the bottom, you just click on a template at the bottom. Click on it, and then in here you can see many template video from CapCut. If you wanna make make the video with this template, you just click on template what you want. Maybe maybe this one, so you just click on it and then click use template, this one. Click on it and add the video or add the photo that you want to edit. Maybe this one and this one. So click next at the bottom and play. And then after this, if you wanna export the video, so you just click on the export at the top. So that's how to find template video on CapCut apps, and I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy its content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Happy editing, bye bye.